Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable USB debugging in developer options on your Android and connect it with an original cable. Install Android SDK platform tools on your laptop so you have a DB and fast boot. Once done, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the phone is recognized. If it prompts for RSA authorization, tap Allow on the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have any required PIN or pattern written down before proceeding. You now move into the unlocking sequence. Reboot to the bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader, then check fastboot devices to ensure connection. If the phone permits OEM unlocking, run fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock depending on the vendor. Different phones use different commands, so pick the one that succeeds. When the phone shows a confirmation screen, use the volume and power buttons to accept. This step typically wipes user data, which is why we prepared earlier. You finish by rebooting with fastboot reboot and then completing the initial Android setup. Make sure to sign in with the original Google account if factory reset protection appears. That re-enables full access. If the device didn't unlock, check drivers on the laptop, try a different USB cable or port, and re-enable USB debugging. Also confirm OEM unlock was allowed in settings. If problems persist, use the device maker's official bootloader tool or support channel to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.